Why AI is the revenge of the experienced worker. A mate of mine just got back from the US. He owns a substantial business, and while he was over there, he did something very smart. He asked every business owner he met the same question: how are you approaching AI? What he came back with was one of the most interesting observations I have heard this year. Today I want to share it with you because if you are hiring or if you are over 45 and looking for work, this one is going to make you feel very good. Cast your mind back to when social media exploded. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Suddenly every business needed a social media strategy. And who had the advantage? The younger workers. They were already living on these platforms. They understood the culture, the language, the algorithms. Businesses scrambled to hire 25-year-olds to run their social media channels because experience in the field counted for almost nothing if you didn't understand the platform. Older, experienced workers found themselves on the back foot. The technology divide was real and it favoured youth. But here's what my mate discovered talking to business owners across America. AI is doing the exact opposite. With social media, the platform was the skill. With AI, the platform is just the tool. What matters is what you bring to it. And what do you bring to it? AI, judgement, context, domain experience, the ability to ask the right questions, spot the wrong answer, and know when the output is good enough and when it is not. Those are not skills you learn in a classroom. These are skills you earn over decades of doing the actual work. The 25-year-old can use the ChatGPT, but the 50-year-old accountant using ChatGPT, or the 55-year-old engineer using AI design tools, or the 48-year-old marketer using AI to build campaigns, they are operating at a completely different level because the AI amplifies what they already know. My mate's conclusion was blunt. AI is the revenge of the experienced worker. So what does this mean if you are hiring right now? Stop filtering out candidates because they are over 45. This is where the gold is. Find someone who is genuinely exceptional at what they do, someone with real scars, real wins, and real judgment. Give them AI tools and proper training. Get out of their way, because a seasoned professional with AI is not just as good as a younger digital native. They are better, significantly better. The experience gap that used to hold them back has just become their greatest competitive advantage. The technology divide has flipped. Social media gave the advantage to the young. AI is giving it back to the experienced.